Hello friends, this is Damien. I hope all of you are doing well. Stay blessed. And I'm back here today with a short video. Well, I'm becoming a plumber today. My kitchen sink coupling has been dripping lots of water since many days. So today I've decided to replace the entire coupling. Let me show you what it is. Right, so here it is. As you can see, this is the coupling. I'll have to replace this one, the entire thing. So it's time to go to hardware and get that. Okay, stay connected guys. Okay. ये सिंक का कपलिंग रहता है ना, वो है क्या?
सिंक का कपलिंग, हाँ सिंक कपलिंग रहता है। हाँ बड़ा चाहिए।
हाँ, वो स्टील का सिंक में जो लगता है वो।
मैं पूछा था आपको, इसके ऊपर 65 ग्राम है, 90 ग्राम है, 65 ग्राम
कपलिंग है। चल देख कितना दोस्त है।
एक तो दिखो, वो ये वाला रेवेन्यू का।
100 होगा?
हाँ?
100 होगा। Time to get back home. So it's time to get your hands dirty. Alright, now let's check it from down whether it's dripping or not. It's perfect. That's it, friends. That's how you do your work. So I hope you learn something out of this, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.